Look closely at the picture on the screen. What color of the spheres are you seeing? You might say that you can clearly see red, green, and blue spheres, but what if I tell you that all these spheres are the same color? Don't believe me? Look at the edited version of the same picture.
Hi, my name is Muriel, and today we're learning about optical illusions.
First, to clearly understand the science behind optical illusions, we need to learn how we are able to see our surroundings. Light reflecting from an object enters through the cornea of the eye. The iris contracts and expands to regulate the amount of light that is able to pass through the pupil. The light that passes through falls on the retina, where photoreceptors, normally called rods and cones, are present. Rods are usually the ones that help us see at night, and cones help us see color. The signal of image is then sent from the retina to the brain through the photoreceptors and neurons and to the optic nerve to the visual cortex. After receiving visual information, the visual cortex works to make sense of the information so we are able to see. Now, if the light surrounding the image varies, the brain tends to keep flashes from the bright or dull light and applies it to the image. For this image, stare at the purple dot between the red and green colors for 5 seconds, and then immediately stare at the purple dot between the circles. The circle on the left will seem darker. This is all due to the flashes of surrounding lights as it affects your perception. Going back to the first image, we were seeing different colored circles because of the different colored lines present inside them. Look closely. The brightness of the stripes confused our brain into thinking that the light was being reflected from the circle rather than the colored stripes themselves. This made us momentarily visualize the colors that actually weren't present. This is why, as soon as the lines were erased from the circles, we could easily see the real color of the circles.
And that's how optical illusions work. Bye!